Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So besides all the other stuff this unit's in here for, we're gonna do a free exterior eval as soon as if we get a chance. Terry will look at that. But something I just noticed was the gimp molding is coming out of the awning side out topper. And if you see the one screw here, the second one that's supposed to be up there in that tube broke off. So as we walk down further here, you'll see that both of the bolts are up there in that bracket. What happens is that gimp molding, that holds the vinyl material not only to the tube, but if you're seeing it above that in the rail, and I'll see if I can zoom into the rail here. So that C-channel rail, it's also got a gutter on it. Well, actually it doesn't, it's just a C-channel rail that's actually flipped upside down. So that rail, if those gimp moldings come loose, that awning can basically, our side out topper awning, that can come loose in travel. So this is a Solaris side out topper, made by Lippert. Probably what happened was the screw maybe on that broke loose as well. I don't think it was like an installation issue or anything like that, but keep an eye on your awnings or side out topper awnings and anything else on the coach, all the hardware, the screws and whatnot. So again, we're going to do an exterior eval later on this coach after we get done addressing why it's here for the concern. So thanks so much for watching.